Hello, it's Miss Esther. I am your doctor today to tell you about a letter that actually had to go to the doctor. It's X the fox. Hello, X. There's the big X and there's the baby X. When he had to go to the doctor took an x-ray picture. So when he took the x-ray picture, it made this sound. Kss, when the doctor pressed down the button. Kss. So as I'm looking through the eye hole and pressing that button, I can make that sound. If that's tricky for you, you can think of the K or the C making the K and the S making the S. Put it together. Kss, kss. Now, the fast way, hold your pretend camera. Kss, kss, kss. Let's do that particular action with the song. Here we go.
Alex hurt his leg while using an axe. So he went to see X the fox, an excellent doctor. Alex had to stand behind a black box so X the fox could get an exact x-ray of his leg.
Ready?
Is the sound the x-ray machine made when X the fox took the x-ray.
Ready again.
He took one more x-ray.
I brought an x-ray when I had to go to the doctor. I went to the dentist and he took an x-ray of my teeth. So in our Amazing Action Alphabet activity book, we can take an x-ray too of X the fox. Here's the front part. Here's the back part. You glue the tab together so that when you open it up, it goes like this. And you see it hit an X. Isn't that fun? Now, because you're almost finished with the alphabet, I love to review the middle sounds. So here is a board with constant vowel, constant words, or three-letter words. You spin your spinner on a vowel. Ah. So we're going to listen for the ah sound in the middle of one of these words. Let's see. I bet it's this one. Dog. And if I'm right, I get to put a marker on it because in the middle sound of dog is O. So I get to cover that particular picture up. So once all the pictures are up, you won the game. Now, those of you that are ready to read, you are on lesson 24. You can review the sound of X in these words: axe, max, hex, vex, and fix, mix, fox, and box. Now, before you read the story, I like to play around with the words found in the story. So the story is about a dog named Max. So I'm going to have the word Max. And these are some things that Max can do in the mud. So let's do the first one. Max dug in the mud. Let's take off the word dug and let's try another one. Let's try this one. Max ran in the mud. Here's some other fun things he can do in the mud. Now you're ready to read this book about Max. It's called a circle story, which means it can happen again and again in a circle. First, he's pretty clean, and then eventually he gets into some mud. And then, once he's clean, he finds the mud again. So for more ideas, you can always visit the website at www.seeheardocompany.com.